Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to add favicon in WordPress website. So favicon means suppose this is a website and here you can see this is a favicon. You can see on the title bar of the browser and you can easily add. It's very simple. Just log in your WordPress account. I'm already logged in, and then you have to go to appearance and then customize. Click here. So in other WordPress versions, and if you have other themes, when it depend on the theme and WordPress version, few options might be different. So you have to find out similar options. Header you can find, I think, in almost in all kind of cases. So click on header here, and here you can see you can edit logo, but in favicon you have to do some digging. Click here, site title and logo. So if you edit logo, you will find favicon as well. And here there are so many options here: logo width, height, visibility in which device you want, tagline, and all that. So here we have option site icon. Click here, and here you can, you know, change your favicon or add your favicon. So I already have, so I can change. A few things you must know before you add favicon. The favicon uh, file extension, it means format, should be .ico. It's a standard practice. PNG and SVG are also fine, but ICO is best option. For SEO, and if you search on Google, you will see favicons. So for best SEO practice, favicons are mandatory. It will gives you little, authority or trust advantage in SEO. So you must use favicon. And the size you can use 16 by 16 or 32 by 32. If you are using Apple Touch icon, so you can use 180 by 180. And by default, suppose techyans.com, favicon.ico, by default, browser and Google try to fetch that URL. So it would be better if you use exactly same URL. Exactly same URL means favicon.ico. So this URL you should use, it would be better because by default Google and browsers use this. So what you can do, suppose you want to change, you can upload new, or you already have the file, you can use here. You can crop and all that you want, whatever we have some features in WordPress, and then add. So this is how you can add favicon. I hope you got the point. If you have any query, you can contact me on this website. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.